Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two podcasting platforms, which is Podcastle and Zencastr. So in this video, we're going to dive into it, try to expand the pros and cons about these two platforms to help you decide which of these podcasting tools can be a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Podcastle. Podcastle is perfect for creators who want an easy all-in-one podcasting tools. It offers AI-powered editing, noise removal, and automatic transcription, making podcast production fast and beginner-friendly. However, some users report occasional bugs and limited customization options for advanced editing. Talking about Zencastr, on the other hand, focus mainly on recording quality for remote interviews. It delivers clean, separate audio track and simple browser access, ideal for podcasters who host guests. The downside is that it's limited or mixed reliability and recent pricing has changed. So in my conclusion, and my opinion, Podcastle wins for simplicity and smart tools, while Zencastr suits pros who value control and sound precisions over their podcast. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.